Well, this is a bit of an interesting one. Got back to the car, started the car fine, where I went to pull it out, and the steering's just fucking gone. So it's actually pretty much midnight now, so happy birthday to Whaler.
Thank you.
So we're spending Whaler's birthday in a fucking car park, waiting for the AA to come. I've just rang them, the guy's 15 minutes away. I know exactly what the problem is. And top tip, don't buy a fucking Range Rover. Eyup guys, day 2, Prague. Got a bit pissed up last night watching football, so first things first, we need to get to McDonald's and get that bagel. Rice. So it's breakfast is about. Toast. Oh my god.
It's great. My country.
I wasn't lying. I knew there was one with all that.
What's that about?
Sausage, bacon and cheese.
What's that about?
Sauce in it. Don't know, but have to be sharp. Bit of rocky egg.
Yeah, sauce.
That looks like shh.
Do you want my bacon?
Yeah. It's like
Tea.
fruit tea.
What's up with people? Let's have a cup of tea.
Black tea. No, it's no tea, well. As if you can get shots in it. That's crazy.
You don't get half from.
That's what? Must get hash brown. No shit. It doesn't look good, does it? Look at that shy. It's just a shy. Right, quick. Right, just a sec, so we'll just have a look through the rest of it. Right, bagels and eggs. Oh, you can get them as well. Scrambled eggs. Oh, you can get English brown. Right, 2 of them. Just fucking pay. Just seeing what else there is. Sweet breakfast, what's that? Croissant. Hot cakes with cream. So, McDonald's abroad is just so much better. Desserts. You're gonna have to get a sundae whale at some point.
Follow her Instagram.
That's Kelly Pennick.
Who's that?
Last one.
Oh, right, yeah. It was chef.
So I used to work with like ex-wife and Alexa. Plum and cinnamon pie. Muffin. Cat McFlurry.
Oh, yeah, carrot sundae.
Lotus McFlurry. Smarties. Sundays.
Apple pie.
Classic volcanic apple pie.
Can we?
Yeah, we'll go, yeah.
Please.
You shout some out. 7 and 4.
4?
Yeah, 4, yeah.
There's
Thank
4.
you. And then 7 I on.
And 7?
Yeah, I'll just put them on there if you want, that's fine.
Sure.
That's great, thank you.
Thank you.
Right, let's see what this badge is all about. You can get the boxes as well. There it is, Whaler, the holy grail of McDonald's.
Same.
Whaler's very happy. So guys, my
Guys.
my McDonald's hack, right? Well, obviously caramel sundae, which Will has been absolutely craving for because McDonald's took it off the menu.
Well, they don't do bagels, they don't do sundaes.
No, McDonald's, get your shit together because it's just... And there it is. But yeah, if you want a hack, guys, apple pie sundae, dip your apple pie in that to make the ultimate McDonald's dessert. We have to move to Prague just for the McDonald's. It's absolutely epic. Your apple pie and dip it in your thing. You have to bring it up.
I dip. Better to call them. It's a spirit.
What are you saying to that?
God, but that's just so good. I don't want to go home.
Yeah. Well, if that isn't worth a like and subscribe, I don't know what the hell is. So after a good feed and many coffees, we started to feel a bit more ship-shape, so we headed back down the Charles Bridge. We're going to go into the Old Town Square, have a look around there. And this is why, in my opinion, Prague is one of the most beautiful cities in Europe. This Old Town Square is really something else. I'd love to tell you what that building is there right in front of you. I don't know if I'm honest, but it's just spectacular. Tell you what, if you're into your Christmas markets, this is where you want to be. Certainly put ours to shame, that is for sure. He's here look at charcoal. Don't know about you, Will, but I'm about ready for a beer and a sit down here. Oh yeah. Forget Tinder. Whiskey's been looking for. Oh yeah, there you go. It's a bit of buzz in it, this. Look at this. Yeah. Hello there. Right, confession time. Guys, I've let you down with this beer challenge. More importantly, I've let myself down. Well, I think I'm bullshitting, but I'm not.
You're fucking bullshit.
You could definitely get a beer here for 50 pence 20 years ago. Anyway, we'll have to come back and do it all over again. But for now, it's mission failed. Right, tell you what a bar that was. Old Town Square, you want to be at the Golden Kettle Irish pub. Absolutely mint in there. Absolutely mint. Get a cracking beer and come out onto Old Town Square. I feel a bit pissed off. I have to go home now. Not happy about it really.
I would better go on a Ryanair.
Yeah, I'm got to go on a fucking Ryanair. Fucking hate Ryanair. Hope you're watching this, Mr. Dickhead. Shit aeroplane. Shit fucking cunt. Oh, I said cunt. I'll have to beat that out. Anyway, right. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Get in the bloody comments as well. Get them bloody likes and shares and all that good stuff. Go do it. Told you. Do it. Anyway.
I know.
See you later. Well, this is a bit of an interesting one. So the flight was delayed a little bit.
Hour and 20 minutes?
Yeah, 20 minutes. And then got back to Manchester Airport and got back to the car. Started the car fine, where I went to pull it out, and the steering's just fucking gone. But keep going. So yeah, we had to call the AA. They said they were going to come. So got back to the car, called the AA, said they were going to send somebody out. It's going to be like 10 to 9, something like that. So okay, so went and found a pub, standard.
The airport pub.
The airport pub. Played some cards, and then anyway, I thought we'll head back to the car for 10 to 9. And then they said, oh no, it's going to be 1:45. So it's actually pretty much midnight now, so happy birthday to Whaler.
Thank you.
So we're spending Whaler's birthday in a fucking car park, waiting for the AA to come. I've just rang them, the guy's 15 minutes away. I know exactly what the problem is. And top tip, don't buy a fucking Range Rover, because the steering rack's gone, the bolts have snapped, and that car is not going home. It is going to a garage, and I don't know whether...
We're not going home.
We're not going home. So we're either going to a hotel or we're getting a train, but as you can see in the background, the weather's taking a turn for the worst. So fuck knows what's going to happen.
It's sailing as well.
It really is, isn't it? It really is. I don't know if you can pick up on camera, but fuck's sakes, what a nightmare.
Happy birthday to me.
2 fucking idiots abroad, stuck in...
That's not our fault.
Well, no, it's not.
Well, mate, we're stuck abroad.
Well, no, we're not.
I wouldn't mind being stuck abroad.
Stuck in
We're stuck in this shit.
Terminal 1 car park.
I fucking hate you, man.
But
I said I didn't want to come home.
I know. But we did find solace in the Radisson Blu, which is a very nice bar, by the way. We did have a couple of shandies. But we definitely are going home. It's going to be an hotel job tonight, so there you go. Anyway, you're in. She's only small. So yeah. Fucking nightmare. See you then.